guys, so today's video is going to be about this firewood that we got from our woods next to our house. I mean, on our property. We have a little bit of woods, which you'll see in just a minute, but this is the wood we got, and this is our way of starting to be more self-sustainable, not buying wood and using our stove to heat our house. And it's great for emergencies like ice storms, to have this wood burning stove that we have so we can still eat if the power goes out and stay warm. So join us for this video of our first time cutting down trees. And we're done now, so I can tell you nobody gets hurt, so that's good. Alright, so he's out here cutting down trees, which I've been after him about for about 3 months. Finally got a chainsaw, but he came out here by himself. Should always have someone supervising you cutting down trees. So we're just getting some small trees from out here that are going to be easy to cut, hopefully. It's a nice small one. Wow, it has some vines on it too. Hey, you guys want to take this log when you leave back to the fire?
Bring the log over there?
Yeah, when you go back. Oh, there goes that tree. That's just hanging because of the vines that are on it are just holding it from falling. So many vines. Why is he cutting all the ones that are hanging? No! Hey guys, it's falling. There are so many vines on that tree. It is insane. They're like thick as ropes. I mean, that thing is just bound up.
Oh?
It's fake.
Oh, it's fake, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that's my wax.
Go pick it up, Dixie. Go pick it up and tell us what it is.
It's a wax!
It's a wax? Go get it. I want to see it. Let me see you wax some wood with your wax.
And can I tie it off? Not real. It's just, can I tie? It's just made of plastic. Look.
Oh, okay.
Can I tie? That's done. Can't. That's almost hurting me.
Well, you boys sure are getting tall.
Closer. What? Putting that chainsaw to use. What? Okay, that
Working, huh?
Mommy,
Yes.
I can't play that.
Not much.
Hey! Why is it dangerous?
Because it can kick back.
I think I hear an
Dad is so determined that this is going to go down today. Yeah, cutting trees can be really dangerous.
I'm going to you in the face.
It makes me quite nervous.
I'm going to you a lot. I'm getting bullied. I bullied you.
I know you wish that thing would stay on. Oh my gosh. I almost missed it. She was crying. That's a big tree.
That's so many logs right there.
All the more logs for you to haul, right?
That's how we were going into.
All right. Looks about 3 hours of work. What do you think?
3 hours?